Our Try My Chow crispy orange chicken with molasses is better than the chicken from any Chinese restaurant in America. First, undress the chicken like that. We'll need to debone the bird and cut it into small pieces. I would like to give a shout out to my friends at Nakano Knives who sent me this amazingly sharp and light Japanese knife. You can get yours at the link in the description. Use the code TRYMYCHOW and get a very nice discount. Now put all the pieces in a large bowl. Add oil. Add salt. Add paprika. Add black pepper. Add baking powder. Add cornstarch. Mix everything like that. On high heat. I added oil to our lady in red frying pan. Add the bird. Cook it until it is fully cooked and golden brown. Remove it from the heat. Reduce the heat to medium. Now add red pepper flakes. Minced garlic. Add more oil and mix it. Let it brown lightly. Add orange zest. Add flour. Let the flour fry for 20 seconds. Add onion powder. Add Worcestershire sauce. Add soy sauce. Mix it. Add 2 cups of fresh orange juice. Mix it until dissolved and everything thickens. Add molasses. Mix well. Finally, add the chicken. Mix the chicken. On low heat, let it simmer. Grab an orange, and cut it like that to make it beautiful. Put it on top of the bird. Now put some sesame seeds on top. Some green onions on top and you are golden. If you like this recipe, you can get it in an ebook PDF format. We will show you step-by-step cooking instructions with all ingredient types, measurements, cooking times, and temperatures. With our Cook Like a Boss instructions, you can't miss anything. Get your crispy orange chicken with molasses recipe in PDF ebook format in the link below. Get your ebook today so you can cook like a boss to impress everyone. Boleto chega sem dinheiro pra pagar, mas